Another chapter of my story has been written, and I can't wait to share another amazing year with you. Now, this is the time to write another chapter of my story again. So, I decided to pack my bag, grab my camera, hit the road, travel new places to capture every moment of my life through my lens. This is the right time to explore new landscape, meet new people, hear their stories, and make new memories. That's enough. Let's go.
I heard the news today that you're not mine to keep. Don't struggle too much now while I kill you in your sleep. What is lost if it's not being by yourself? I won't be gentle to the body on the shelf. It's only slaughter, we're only liars, it's only blood. It's only love.
The more you travel, the more you realize that it becomes less about the location or landscape and more about the people you meet, experience you share, and memories you make along the way. And I felt lucky that I met you guys. Soon, we meet again. Where am I? How did I end up here? I can't remember anything.
Someone as perfect as you would love me. If there's a God, why'd He make me? All of these flaws is all that I see. If there's a God, I don't believe someone as perfect as you would love me. God damn it.
November 2019, the sad day of my life, because we all graduated. College was the only place where we shared our time with each other, where we turned from strangers to friends. But from now, we all will get apart and move into our new lives and get busy. It is amazing how time flies so quickly that even those 3 years seems less now. No matter how incredible it was at the point in my life, I will never get that time back, and things will never be the way they used to be. But that is all I have, our memories. The bonds were created, the obstacle we faced, the fights we had, the journey we made. These are the moments that I'll remember for the rest of my life. And I've learned one thing in my life. Sometimes you have to stop and enjoy those moments because they will be the one that pull you out of that dark place. No matter how long that time was, it will never seem like enough. But the most important thing is, even if we are apart, I will always be with you. I thank you all for your part in my journey. See you again.